Hi, I'm Devin Gilchrist and I'm the founder of Avid Group. Over the last 12 months, we've helped manage a Liberty Walk build for a Lamborghini Aventador. The owner of the vehicle, Kit, he always dabbled in body kits and modifying Japanese cars back when he was a young lad. Now he's got the opportunity to do something to a car at the highest level. Liberty Walk do a number of different body kits for the Aventador. Kit wanted the hardest one to find, which is the limited edition body kit that was sold out. And he also wanted it in carbon fibre, which made it even harder to find. But we were lucky enough that through our network, we managed to find a kit over in Australia from a company called Vogue Industries. They actually had one on the shelf from an abandoned project, so they worked out really well. So once the body kit arrived, the body kit got sent over to the team at Burke's Metalworks, and they helped put the build together from scratch. The process was to do a mock fit of the body kit to the car to figure out where everything's going to go, how everything's going to sit, how it's going to flow with the lines of the car. Then from there, once we're committed to that, out comes the grinders, and we cut out the fairings of the car to make way for the bigger wheels. Then it comes time to matching the paint, doing the final fit to the car, and seeing what the final process looks like.
Oh my God!
Once the car was finished at Burke's Metalworks, we received the vehicle to do all the final detailing, and part of that was to do a full paint protection package using Expel paint protection film. We've done custom patterns for the vehicle to fit the fairings, so we can easily replace it in the future, because the plans for the owner is for him to drive the vehicle and use it as much as he can, so to have it protected is an absolute must. To pull all this together, you need a really nice set of wheels. So we've chosen Brixton Forge, which is a company over in California in the States. And they've put together a floating spoke design wheel, 3-piece wheel. So the inside of the wheel doesn't touch the barrel, so it looks like the spokes are floating. And we've also gone with an orange hardware to match the color of the car. So the final touches of the vehicle were putting sticker pack on the car, so Liberty Walk stickers, a few got the Liberty Walk saying that goes on the vehicle, as well as of course some Avid stickers, and the people who are involved in the build will be represented on the car as well. So one of the biggest challenges we had on this build was trying to keep it a secret. Trying to keep something that hasn't been done in Christchurch before a secret for the last 12 months has been a mammoth effort from all involved. We've done a great job of keeping a lid on this, and to see all the faces at reveal night was well worth it. once we pulled the covers off, the reception was, well, everyone was delighted to see it and excited to see it, and then probably shocked to see what it was as well. Most of the people wouldn't have seen anything like this in the flesh. So I think it took a little while for people for it to settle in. But no, it was a fun night, and it was just exciting to show what we've been working on for so long.
The result is just more than a dream come true. I can not thank Devin and all the people involved enough for helping me making this dream possible.
So I'd like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to all the suppliers who helped out on this build. The team at Burke's Metalworks put this whole thing together. The painters, the fitters, the work's just outstanding. To our suppliers overseas, Expel Paint Protection Film, Brixton Forge for making a killer set of wheels, the guys over at Vogue for helping put bits and pieces together. Yeah, this build, it couldn't be done without you, so thank you. And the biggest thank you is to the owner of the car, Kit, for trusting us to put this whole thing together so we could realise his dream and just, turn his thoughts into what we see today.